Hello guys, today we are making roasted papad and fry papad. It will be a short and simple video. Hope you guys will like it. Take the papad and place it over the flame. You can use tongues to hold the papad. Flip the papad multiple times so that it gets roasted properly. The papad is properly roasted. Now let's fry the papad. You can break the papad into small parts. And put it in a hot oil. Fry both sides of papad. Once it gets fried properly, you can take it out in one plate. Similarly, you can fry all the papads. Papad is ready to eat. You can eat papad as a dessert with the meal. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Comment below which recipe would you like to watch next.